The Aquino administration vows sustained initiatives that foster constructive labor management relations and employment. Citing data from the Department of Labor and Employment, presidential spokesman Edwin Asierda said the number of strikes per year has been limited to less than 10 since 2010. In 2014 alone, out of 159 notices of strike and lockout, only 2 finally pushed through. He attributed the improvement to the agency's efforts in implementing the single entry approach through which filed labor cases go through a 30 mediation period.
I'd rather have Secretary of Labor mention that. But we just mentioned, if you're questioning the situation on the labor sector, we have far less labor unrest. There was, like my statement mentioned, there were several notices of strike, 159 notices of strike in 2014, but only 2 pushed through. This shows the kind of relationship that we would like labor and management to have. Rather than be adversaries in a situation, we'd like them to be partners in progress. And as much as we'd like the businesses to thrive so that we can employ more and more workers, we're also very consciously aware and mindful of the need to make sure that the plight of our laborers, our employees, are also amply enhanced and protected. So we continue to do that. Our position is that we would like to see labor and management as partners in progress, not as adversaries.